I recently made over 500 online from simply touching my phone screen like this. And, in this video, I am going to show you how you can do this even with a brand new account, using your laptop or your smartphone. Your one touch on a screen can give you over $5. And if you touch the screen 100 times a day, you can make over $500. And in a week you can easily make over $5,000 online. So, the first step you have to do is go over to this website called EnrollApp.com. As you can tell by reading here, EnrollApp is a website that is dedicated to making the web a better place for everyone. EnrollApp is alleged website, which will allow you to join free of charge, so that you can earn money by simply answering very easy poll questions about any products. And you can let them know what you think about their upcoming products before they hit the market. The most amazing thing about this website is that you will be allowed to take these tests anywhere. So even when you are on a bus, or you are seating in a park, just simply enjoying your day, or you can be at home, just before you sleep, you will be able to take these tests and submit your answers for some simple earnings. As of now, a total of over 651,000 tests have been completed on this website. And thousands of people are earning daily. On this website it does not matter from where you are coming from. They are accepting people from anywhere in the world. And in a moment I will show you how you can get paid for just browsing a website like this one here, or clicking a button like this one and get paid. For doing so, you will be able to take as many polls as you can on any device, and you will be earning cash rewards deposited straight into your PayPal account, or any other payment methods you prefer. But before we move further, like this video, and help me to reach 1000 likes on this video, and I will share with you the earning proof of this website. Now step number 2. Before enrolling on this website, you have to take this sample test by clicking this button. This is a very short test and it will help you to get to know what you will be expected to do on the website. Click on begin this question to get started. And on this page, you have to select the areas on this test website that give you some inspiration for your upcoming travel trip. As an example, you might select Las Vegas. Scroll down and click on continue. Now on this page, you will be asked to select at least 3 answers that best describe how you feel when you see such a web page. Just select your 3 answers, and then click continue in the bottom of this page. Lastly, you can choose to tell them what made you feel that way on that website. And if you want, you can skip ahead by clicking on continue button right here. Next, they will ask you to tell them a little about yourself. So go ahead and specify your gender here. Select your age and your level of education. And finally select your income level. As soon as you are done, click on complete test. That is basically all you will be doing on this website. You do not even need to have any expertise on this website. They are just looking for consumer survey answers to find out the demographics and consumer behaviors, so that they can use these to design websites and products that will be useful to the users. Okay, so step number 3. Now in order for you to start earning money, you have to sign up to EnrollApp by either clicking on this red register button right here, or by simply entering your information here on the home page. So, enter your email address here, create your password, then confirm your password, complete the CAPTCHA here, and boom, you are now on your way to making your first $5. And once you log into your account, they will ask you to accept the new mission, and as you complete this mission you will get your cow for next missions. So, if you want, you can skip this mission, or you can accept this by clicking on this green button. They are going to show you that this will take your 5 minutes to complete this task. So, to start this mission, just click on Let's do this. The first thing will be to submit your PayPal account email for your future payments. And if you don't have PayPal, then just simply click on Sign Up. Now, to create your PayPal account, it will just take your 5 minutes to create an account on PayPal. After that, you can fill in your PayPal email and press continue. Next, they will ask you, what languages do you fluently speak? You can select the ones you speak from the different languages available here, and click continue. To proceed, then, they will ask for your phone number. So, just enter it in this box, and proceed. Next, you have to select your country in this box right here, and then you have to select your city, and proceed. And in the availability option, I would suggest you to leave it as yes, and press continue. Then you just need to select your gender and your date of birth. Next you will be asked about your day job, and you can select whatever you want to. After that, You need to share your 3 job skills from different options available here. Next, you can select the method you use to make money, basically how you make a living. Then you can share any of your 3 hobbies in this step. Then the last and most important question about your computer proficiency. I would suggest you to select advanced. And how many hours per day you spend on the internet. I would suggest you to click on 6 or more hours. Then simply select all 3 devices. And click on Finish Registration. As you can see, we have been approved. And now you can see your dashboard. So, dashboard of Enroll app will look like this. On the top left corner here is your Achievements tab. On this tab, you will see your financials. On the right side here, you will see your missions. Then your badges will be indicated here. And then finally you will see your points here. Okay, so, step number 4. How are we going to be making money with this website? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You see this. Now here, the more polls that you complete every single day, the more it will move towards this moon. So, for example, here is a poll question that I can take right now. All I have to do is to read it. Then make a choice like this. And then submit my answer immediately. You will see the poll results based on the answers that every user on the platform gave. Next, click on Continue, and then answer this next question. Just like the previous one. By the way, there is an option up here for you to skip the question if you do not feel like answering it at the moment. I recommend that you answer every single poll question in order to increase your total earnings. You will be able to move from here to here and earn yourself some bonus money. And the more poll questions that you answer, the easier it will be for the website to be able to match you with the most appropriate projects based on your demographics, your interests, and your hobbies, which means that you will get more missions. And you will earn more money also. So, continue clicking these buttons, and keep on answering these simple poll questions as many times as you can. There is no limits to take as many polls as you can. Now, when you click on the Achievements tab, here, you can see your progress. Here the number of total badges that you have been awarded will be indicated here. And the total points that you have earned now. Since this is your first mission with this brand new account, all that is required for you to do is to continue taking as many tests and answer the poll questions and continue to be active on this website every single day. If you are just beginning, you have to do this for at least 30 days in a row, spending at least about 5 minutes of your day or even more answering these poll questions. Here are the badges you may gain doing this every day. The more badges you earn, the more points and the bonus money you will be earning on this website. Now, step number 5. Let me share with you the final bonus tip that will help you increase your earnings on this website. Go to the top right side here and click the profile settings. Then select here where it says Test Preferences. You need to make sure that all your profile settings are up to date. Also remember that all the responses that you will give to these questions will be kept private. Scroll down a bit, and you will need to specify the device you are using to complete the tests. Another bonus tip here is to choose all these options, because the more devices you indicate, the more polls you will be awarded. For testing availability, select this option in order to receive tests as soon as they are available. That way you can make sure that you are always the first to be notified if there are any tests that are available. This will increase your chances of making even more money. Also, below that, be sure to tick this box here to enable email notifications. Finally, you can choose to validate your phone number by clicking here. This will activate the SMS notification. Once you are done on this page, click on Save, and now, you can now continue taking more poll questions and earn as much money as you like. That's it for today. Click the video showing on the screen right now to make even more money. Thanks for watching.